As with most things, proactive measures are more difficult to execute than reactive measures. Preventive maintenance therefore needs to be well planned and executed according to a predetermined schedule, a preventive maintenance schedule. But not only a preventive maintenance schedule, but also an inspection schedule to allow you to discover the unexpected before it can grow into a big surprise. In creating your maintenance and inspection schedules, you first need to survey your equipment, building, and grounds to ensure that you identify everything requiring maintenance or inspection. Some items will require less frequent attention than others, but you should account for everything that requires any level of attention so that you can set the appropriate frequency as part of your planning. In setting frequencies for maintenance and inspection activities, priority should be given to those items with greater risks of critical failure and those with higher maintenance requirements just for their proper function. The schedules may need to be adjusted over time based on observations made during inspection and maintenance. Also, in creating your maintenance and inspection schedules, consistency and regularity are important. Automated notification systems and alerts are always helpful to ensure schedules are followed. Some maintenance systems will automatically issue maintenance work orders at the scheduled time as a kind of reminder to perform the preventive maintenance activities. Others will use work orders only for unscheduled or corrective maintenance activities and rely instead on a preventive maintenance schedule and log as the only means for documenting preventive maintenance activities.